Hi everyone. Hey, my family, my KOLEOSO family. This is my ginger. They make my head swallow. Make me not stop out. Thank you, everyone. Lovers of EFUN. Yeah, please, I want you guys to watch this video for a few seconds.
This is the story of EFUN from KOLEOSO and the story of Akifolarin Olamide, the actress who brings her to life. In the supernatural world of KOLEOSO, EFUN is not the loudest, not the most feared, and not the most powerful, but she's the one who sees the weight of legacy, who feel that the moral pause beneath every spell cast, every choice made. She is the thoughtful heart in a family of mystic warriors, the voice of reflection amidst the chaos of magic and ambition. EFUN is the daughter of Oshugbemi, a sorcerer, whose power is unmatched, and the sister of KOLEOSO, the story's central figure, and Noshubola, her equally mystical sibling. Born into a family where magic is inherited, strength is expected, and the temptation of dominance is constant. EFUN stands apart. She does not seek conflict for glory. She does not crave the spotlight. Instead, she watches, listens, and learns. She questions, how should this power be used? Who suffers? In doing so, she becomes the moral anchor of this series, KOLEOSO, the one who reminds the audience that friend without conscience is danger. Her relationship with KOLEOSO is complex. He is powerful, sometimes reckless, and ambitious. She is patient, conscious, and reflective. And in that tension lies in the drama, siblings' loyalty tested against the pull of destiny. EFUN's journey is one of ethical navigation, where magic becomes a lesson, responsibility, and human values. Behind this compelling character is Akifolarin Olamide, a rising star in Yoruba cinema. Unlike EFUN, whose story is in supernatural legacy, Olamide's journey is grounded in determination, talent, cultural roots. Born in Nigeria in the 90s, she grew up in Yoruba culture, absorbing stories, traditions, and that later shaped her acting craft. Her early life remains mostly private, but what is clear is her passion for storytelling. She didn't humble into fame. She carved her path deliberately, learning from mentors, studying script in a competitive industry. When she took on the role of EFUN, she brought more than just memorized lines. She brought authenticity. She brought life. She brought real-lived experience. And this is where real and real begin to reflect each other. EFUN navigates family, legacy, power, responsibility in a world of magic. Akifolarin Olamide navigates career, legacy, talent, and cultural responsibility in a world of cinema. Both are learning how to wed their gift responsibly, how to stand in the light of expectation without losing themselves. Through the series, EFUN studied at a university, balancing mystical inheritance with ordinary life. She learned, she reflects, she grew. Similarly, Olamide balanced her imagined career with learning from established figures in Nollywood, such as Ibrahim Chata, Oluwakemi Akpesin. Each challenge of screens mirrors the struggles EFUN faces on screen, the struggle to determine oneself and honoring the past. EFUN siblings test her patience and ethics at every turn. KOLEOSO challenges her courage. Oshubola tests her loyalty. And yet, through it all, she remains steady, a moral compass in a storm of ambition and supernatural power. Akifolarin Olamide faces challenges of her own, breaking into the competitive world of Yoruba cinema. She had to prove her skill, endure, and embrace a role and that demanded emotional depth and cultural authenticity. The critic and audience didn't see a character on screen. They saw the embodiment of a woman dedicated to her craft, learning to balance ambition with responsibility. What makes EFUN's story compelling is that it's not about winning every battle or casting the strongest spell. It's about growth, understanding, conscience, and that makes Olamide's story so inspiring. The same, she's disciplined, patient in pursuing her career. Both teach us something universal, power whether mystical. So when you watch EFUN on screen, remember this: the magic she wears is not just fiction. It is mirrored in the dedication, talent, and discipline of Akifolarin Olamide, the woman who plays her role as EFUN in KOLEOSO. Real life. However, EFUN and Olamide remind us that the most compelling journey are not always the loudest or most spectacular. They are the journey where growth, reflection, and authenticity guide every step, and that is the heart of KOLEOSO. That is the story of EFUN in KOLEOSO. Her real name is Akifolarin Olamide. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, likes, and share this video. And I say bye for now.